How to turn on silently on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app, log into your account, then click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on settings located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on General Settings, which is the second option. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Silently. To turn on Silently, just click on it and make sure there is red color on it and white circle is on the right side. And that's how to turn on Silently on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.